In this video, we have given that the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean of two distinct two-digit numbers x and y are two integers, one of which can be obtained by reversing the digits of the other in base 10 representation. Then we have to find the value of x plus y. So basically we have given that x and y are two distinct two-digit numbers. And the arithmetic mean AM is equal to x plus y by 2 and geometric mean GM will be equal to xy power 1 by 2, that is root xy. And according to the question, if AM is equal to AB, then GM is equal to BA, where A and B are single digit numbers. And we have x plus y by 2 is equal to AB. So we can get x plus y is equal to 2AB, and AB can be written as 10A plus B. And we have root xy is equal to BA, and BA can be written as 10B plus A. Or we can write xy is equal to 10B plus A whole square. And we know that x minus y whole square is equal to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. And we have x plus y is equal to 2 times 10a plus b. So x plus y whole square will become 4 times 10a plus b whole square minus 4 times xy is equal to 10b plus a whole square. And now if we take 4 common, then 10a plus b whole square will be 100a square plus b square plus 20ab, and minus 10b plus a whole square will become minus 100b square minus a square minus 20ab, and 20ab minus 20ab will get cancelled, and we get 4 times 100a square minus a square is 99a square, and b square minus 100b square is minus 99b square. And it is 4 times, we can take 99 common, and we get a square minus b square, and it is 4 into 99 is 9 times 11, and a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. It is equal to x minus y whole square. And now in the left hand side we have x minus y whole square. That is a perfect square. It is perfect square. So right hand side also must be perfect square. So 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, and we have 11. So for perfect square, either a plus b or a minus b must be 11 or multiple of 11. And we have AB single digit numbers. That means AB is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. And also A or B cannot be 0. because if A is 0, then AB will become single digit number, and if B is 0, then BA will become single digit number. So A minus B cannot be 11, so A plus B, it is 11. And for perfect square, A minus B also must be perfect square, so it can be 1, 4 or 9. And A and B both are from 1 to 9, so A minus B also cannot be equal to 9. So we get A plus B is equal to 11 and A minus B is equal to 1 or 4. Now if we add both equations, then we get 2A is equal to 11 plus 1 is 12 and 11 plus 4 is 15. And since A is integer, so 2A cannot be equal to 15. So A minus B is not equal to 4. So we get A is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. And from equation 1, we can get B is equal to 5. So we can get x plus y is equal to 2 times 10 into 6 plus 5, and it is 2 into 60 plus 5 is 65, and it is equal to 130. So x plus y is equal to 130, option C.